Jeans. They're the one wardrobe staple we all own. But did you know they can be the key to creating an elegant, polished look? Whether you're heading to brunch, the office, or a dinner party, jeans can be styled to exude sophistication. But the secret lies in how you wear them and the pieces you pair them with. Well, you're in the right place because today we're going to unlock the secrets to transform your favorite pair of jeans into the foundation for timeless elegance that's perfect for any occasion. And guess what? You don't have to compromise on comfort to look chic. From choosing the right fit to pairing them with luxe fabrics, we'll explore everything you need to know to elevate your denim game. And stick around because we'll also reveal some of the best brands that craft jeans so well fitted they're practically made for elegance. Let's unravel all this together. Picture this. It's a Saturday morning and you're staring at your closet. You reach for your trusty jeans, but then comes the age-old question. How can I make these look chic and sophisticated? It's a dilemma we've all faced, but the good news is that with a few thoughtful choices, jeans can be one of the most versatile and elegant pieces in your wardrobe. But how, you ask? Here's how you can achieve that effortlessly elegant look with jeans every time. First things first, fit is everything. The foundation of any elegant denim look starts with finding the right fit for your body type. When it comes to denim, there's no one-size-fits-all. Your jeans should fit snugly, but not be too tight. A pair that's too loose can make you look frumpy, while jeans that are too tight can sometimes feel uncomfortable and unflattering. The key is to find a pair of jeans that flatters your body shape and elongates your legs. Straight leg jeans are a timeless choice, sophisticated, and never go out of style. They create a clean silhouette and pair beautifully with tailored tops and sleek shoes. High-waisted jeans styles elongate your torso and legs, accentuate your waist definition, instantly making your figure look more refined and giving you a polished, feminine shape. Wide leg jeans are for a modern twist. Wide leg jeans add sophistication when paired with a tucked-in blouse and heeled boots. Skinny jeans continue to make a statement. They can look incredibly chic when styled with oversized sweaters or structured blazers. The magic happens when the jeans hug your body in all the right places. Pay attention to the waistline, the hip area, and the hem to make sure your jeans are tailored to perfection. The magic of elevating jeans lies in the fabrics you pair them with. Luxe materials like silk, lace, cashmere, and leather instantly add a touch of elegance. A classic silk blouse tucked into jeans creates an effortlessly chic look, perfect for a date night or business casual setting. Silk or satin materials bring a luxurious touch, making your outfit feel high-end without trying too hard. A classic white button-up shirt is another timeless option. It never fails to look elegant, especially when paired with a chic, minimalist pair of jeans. Don't be afraid to play with color and texture. Soft pastels, bold jewel tones, or even classic black can add depth and refinement. If you want to mix things up, a blouse with delicate details like lace, ruffles, or subtle embroidery can add an extra layer of interest while still keeping the look elegant. A fitted cashmere sweater adds softness and sophistication, especially when paired with ankle boots and minimal jewelry. A sleek leather jacket over a simple tee and jeans is the epitome of modern elegance. Layering is an art, and when done right, it adds depth and sophistication to your outfit. For a more formal look, consider layering a trench coat or tailored overcoat over your jeans. These pieces add both warmth and style while elongating your frame. A long, flowing coat has a dramatic, sophisticated effect, while a cropped blazer or structured jacket can create sharp, sleek lines. The key is to avoid bulky or oversized outerwear, which can overwhelm the figure and detract from the elegance you're aiming for. Opt for pieces that define your waist and highlight your curves. Let's explore this in more detail. A tailored blazer over jeans is a foolproof combo for an elegant, office-ready look. Adding a tailored blazer or jacket can instantly transform your outfit into something more polished and sophisticated. Blazers are a wardrobe essential when it comes to dressing up jeans. They add structure and create clean lines that give off a professional, chic vibe. A long, flowing coat has a dramatic, sophisticated effect, while a cropped blazer or structured jacket can create sharp, sleek lines. Opt for a long, structured cardigan for a cozy yet polished vibe. Choose a neutral or muted tone for a timeless look, and style it with a fitted top underneath to balance the silhouette. Add sleek ankle boots or classic loafers to elevate the ensemble, and accessorize with a belt to define the waist for a more tailored appearance. Never underestimate the power of the right shoes. Footwear can make or break your look. While sneakers and flats are undeniably comfortable, they might not always convey the level of sophistication you're looking for. The key to making your jeans look more refined is choosing shoes that add height and structure. Pointed toe heels instantly elevate jeans, lengthen the legs, and makes it suitable for more formal occasions. Ankle boots, especially in leather or suede, are a versatile choice for fall and winter. Loafers or ballet flats are for a Parisian-inspired look. Opt for sleek loafers or classic ballet flats. When it comes to shoes, remember, simplicity is key. Choose footwear that complements your outfit without stealing the spotlight. Elegance is in the details, and tailored jeans are no exception. Make sure your jeans fit perfectly at the waist, hips, and length. Don't be afraid to get them altered if necessary. A little tailoring goes a long way when it comes to creating an elegant look. Hem them to the right length. No dragging or bunching at the ankles. If necessary, consider altering the waistband for a custom fit. When it comes to accessories, elegance is all about subtlety, and simplicity is key. A few carefully chosen pieces can enhance the elegance of your jeans. Opt for gold or silver jewelry. Think simple hoops, a dainty necklace, or a classic watch. A classic structured leather handbag in a neutral tone ties the look together. Consider a belt with a subtle buckle to add definition to your waist. When choosing accessories, go for quality over quantity. Simple, timeless pieces will always be more elegant than flashy, over-the-top accessories. Not all jeans are created equal. Here are some of the best brands known for their well-fitted, high-quality jeans that exude elegance. Frame Denim are renowned for their modern cuts and premium fabrics. Their jeans are perfect for achieving a polished and tailored look. AG Jeans strikes the perfect balance between comfort and style. Their designs are timeless and offer clean, streamlined silhouettes that pair well with elegant wardrobe pieces. Levi's Premium Collection is a timeless classic that elevates the iconic brand with refined fabrics and modern cuts. These jeans retain their classic appeal while offering a more polished look for sophisticated styling. Citizens of Humanity brand is celebrated for its craftsmanship and attention to detail. Citizens of Humanity jeans are known for their luxurious fabrics and flattering fits that complement various body types. Rag & Bone combines modern design with classic craftsmanship. Their jeans offer versatility and elegance, making them a favorite among fashion-forward women. Loro Piana Denim Collection features high-end craftsmanship with refined materials. Their jeans are perfect for creating understated elegance. Madewell strikes a perfect balance between affordability and sophistication. It offers high-quality denim with tailored fits, and their jeans are designed to pair seamlessly with both casual and elegant pieces. To create a truly elegant look with jeans, it's all about balance. Pair structured pieces with soft fabrics, choose neutral tones for a cohesive palette, and let your accessories do the talking. With the right fit, fabrics, and finishing touches, jeans can effortlessly transition from casual to sophisticated and, of course, wearing everything with confidence. Which of these styling tips are you most excited to try? And do you have a favorite denim brand that you swear by? Let me know in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more tips on timeless fashion and effortless elegance. In the pinned comment, I left the links to all the denim brands mentioned above. These denims are designed to offer ultimate comfort while keeping your look effortlessly stylish all day long. Stay inspired, stay stylish, stay elegant, and I'll see you in the next video.